What is up guys, China this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to link Merchant Center to Google Business Account. So first off, head over to Google Merchant Center or just simply type in merchants.google.com. If you are new here, just simply sign in with your email and password. If you already have visited, you will be directly welcome to the dashboard of Google Merchant Center. Now, from here, if you already have a business, you will see here the option of linking your business account. But if you can't see, just click on this business info on your left side, and from here, you can add your online store and you can edit your business details. And when you click on stores, you can add your business profile. And if you want to connect, after adding your profile, if you want to connect to Google Business Profile Manager, click here. And when you send an connection request, here you will see this request here on your linked accounts request. Here you will see the connection request that you have sent from Google Store Merchant Center. So this is how you can link your Merchant Center to Google Business account. And that was all for this video, guys. Thank you everyone for watching.